Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you tap a Telegram message link on your iPhone and see the error not available, unfortunately you can't access this message, you aren't a member, don't worry. In this video, I'll show how you can fix it step by step. Solution 1. Check for sensitive content restrictions. Let's change it. You cannot change this setting inside the iPhone app. You must use Telegram web. Log in to use your Safari or Chrome browser. Then go to Settings. Now tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Sensitive Content and toggle on Disable Filtering. Restart the Telegram app on your iPhone. Solution 2. Directly join the chat group. If it's a private group or channel, you must join it first. Ask the admin to send you a new invite link. After joining, open the message link again. Solution 3. Open the link in the Telegram app. Sometimes opening links in a browser causes this error. Copy the message link, paste it directly into Telegram's search bar or open it inside the Telegram app. If the original message was removed by the admin or sender, it can't be accessed even if you join later. There is no workaround to access private Telegram messages without joining the group or channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Telegram and iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.